Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Law Office of Bryan Fagan's YouTube channel, your go-to source for Texas legal news. Today, we're diving into the story of the Mexican Mafia racketeering case that happened in Texas. In 2023, federal law enforcement agencies significantly increased efforts to dismantle organized criminal groups operating within Texas, resulting in major convictions against members of the Texas Mexican Mafia. The investigation, which involved coordinated efforts from the FBI, DEA, Homeland Security investigations, and local law enforcement partners, led to convictions that shed light on the gang's violent operations. One of the most significant outcomes was the sentencing of a high-ranking member of the Texas Mexican Mafia who received 2 consecutive life sentences, plus an additional 10 years in federal prison for a brutal murder committed in South Texas. The conviction was part of a broader federal initiative to target criminal organizations involved in drug trafficking, extortion, and violent crime. The defendant was charged under the Racketeer Influenced and Corrupt Organizations Act, RICO, a powerful federal statute used to prosecute individuals engaged in ongoing criminal enterprises. The prosecution demonstrated that the defendant's actions were part of a larger criminal pattern that sought to further the objectives of the Texas Mexican Mafia. Evidence showed that the gang used violence to enforce control, including issuing green lights orders to kill those who violated the gang's rules. The case also involved testimony from former gang members who turned to state's evidence, providing crucial insights into the gang's inner workings. The RICO Act allows prosecutors to charge individuals for participating in a pattern of racketeering activity, even if they did not personally commit every crime associated with the enterprise. Crimes like murder, drug trafficking, and extortion fall under the scope of racketeering activity, and convictions can result in severe penalties, including life imprisonment. In this case, the U.S. Attorney's Office successfully linked the defendant to a series of criminal acts designed to further the Texas Mexican Mafia's operations, resulting in the life sentences. The broad reach of the RICO Act enables authorities to target not just street-level crimes, but also the leadership and infrastructure of criminal enterprises. The case serves as a powerful example of how federal tools such as the RICO Act can effectively dismantle organized crime syndicates. The conviction of a high-ranking gang member highlights the ongoing efforts to combat violence and criminal activity in Texas, especially in regions like South Texas, which have long been plagued by gang violence. The successful application of RICO underscores the importance of cooperation between federal and local law enforcement agencies in tackling organized crime and protecting communities from the devastating impact of gang violence. Ultimately, the prosecution of the members of the Texas Mexican Mafia sends a clear message to other criminal organizations. No one is supposed to be beyond the reach of the law. The case illustrates the federal government's commitment to fighting organized crime and ensuring that those responsible for perpetuating violence and fear are held accountable. Through sustained efforts, law enforcement continues to work towards dismantling criminal networks that threaten the safety and well-being of communities across Texas. If you found this video informative or interesting, please like, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. For more awesome resources, check out the description below. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.